Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a full coverage foundation slash purple smoky eye kind of a look. Now I happen to use the Crayon case palette. It's the box of crayons eyeshadow palette, and this is this. Also use Wander Beauty's, there you go, Wander Beauty's palette. This is their off-duty palette, and I had used the color Shoreline for like a base before I put on the purple, and then I had used Unplug to apply it to my lid. So that's kind of like what I'm going. I'm actually really happy with how it turned out. I absolutely love this look, and I kept it simple with a glossy lip. No need to have any additional color to my lip because all the colors in my eyes. But all the other products I'll put in the description box for you guys to try and check out. And other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this a thumbs up, guys. Please give this a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I am trying to get all this content out for you guys as much as possible. I'm trying to be as consistent as possible because I know I struggle with that. Enough of me chit-chatting, because I know I like to just go on and on for no reason. But enjoy.